going on, my tech friends? This is the only tech boss. So today I have a big ass box in front of me on my desk because today we're going to be upgrading the little bit of the studio. We're going to be upgrading the lights because this light I've got right now is not really, I mean it's good, but I want something a little bit brighter. Right now, if you guys don't know, I actually did a video on this lighting I have right now, which is the Godox, or the Godox, like the Americans say, the Godox. It's actually the Godox, what's it? Oh, Godox something, I forgot. Let me have a look. Yeah, Godox SL60. So yeah, the light I've got up there now is the Godox SL60, 60 watt. So it's 60 watt. And this is the Godox, like the Americans say it. This is the Godox VL150. So this is the VL series, and that's the SL series. So yeah, apparently the VL series are much better, much brighter, and they compete a lot more with the aperture lights, which are absolutely expensive. So yeah, this is to compete with the Aperture 120D and the Aperture 120D Mark II. So this basically, yeah, is meant to compete with it, and it's pretty much in the same category as that, which is cool. So the 120D is 120 watt, and this is the VL150, which is 150 watts. So a lot more watts than the 60 watt that I'm actually using right now with my old light. But yeah, that I'm gonna take out, replace it with this, and use that as my, I'm gonna use that as my hair light just behind me and make these videos, so it separates me from the background, which is just there. But yeah, anyway, without further ado, let's crack this box open. I've opened this box. So yeah, the main box is inside, so I'm gonna whip that out. Got all the wrapping, all the packaging stuff. Woohoo! That's a lot of packaging there. It's a heavy box. Oh, there we go. Oh my god. Look at that. This one. Oh my god. Right, we're back. So guys, this is the Godox VL series. So LED video light, which is pretty cool. So yeah, this is it. Oh, it's quite heavy. The Godox VL series. Pretty damn cool, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Anyway, let's cut right into this box. Should be sitting in a nice casing for obviously when you travel, well, you want to travel or take it along wherever you want to go. Because this, you can actually use this without obviously an outlet. You can just get some batteries for it and use it with a battery. But obviously I'm going to be using it inside the house, so I mean in the studio. So I'm just going to rely on a power outlet to actually power this baby up, which is going to be pretty cool. But yeah, lighting is one thing I didn't really think I was going to be upgrading as soon as I am now, because I thought this light would be good, but 60 watt is not enough at all. It doesn't actually, it's not as bright at all. But yeah, anyway, this is the box, and wow, it looks amazing. Look at that. Check that out. Look at that. In here, what's it? This looks like a lens cleaner or something. Yeah, microfiber. Yeah, that's a microfiber cloth in there. That's pretty cool. Microfiber cloth. Let wing. I think these are like gels, maybe? Different color gels. So if you want to change the color tone to like blue, green, different color, then you got that over there. So this, I don't know if that changed anything. I don't know. I mean, yeah, we go. It basically changed. As you can see, my hand's a little bit green there, like that. You know. But yeah, that's what that is. Oh shit! But this is all like pretty sick to me because, I mean, this is like proper studio kind of light setup here, which is pretty damn cool. Look at this. So you get exactly like the gels that I've just showed you, but more of like, oh wow, that is so cool. But this one you can actually put it on this little cage thing, which is pretty cool. That is pretty damn cool. Look at that, check that out. I'm green. But I'm never gonna really use this, I don't really think. And then you got the cage over here you put in front of the light, which is pretty cool. Look at that, wow. Look at that. And then you got this little grid, this honeycomb, whatever grid, which is pretty cool. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Then you got the cage over there, which is pretty cool as well. So here's the main attraction. Oh my god, look at that. That looks insane. Look at that. Look how clean that is. Wow. Look at that. Got this Godox sign over there. Looking at the build of the kind of the bag, it looks awesome. Beautiful. You've got these little legs. Wow, there's one in the middle as well. These little legs here that kind of helps it. So when you place it down, it sits on the little stud instead of on the actual material and fiber, which could make it dirty. And then you got some hooks on the sides as well, in case you want to carry over your shoulders, which is pretty cool. But yeah, now let's dive straight in. Whew. Look at that. Oh wow. Oh wow. Yep, like I said to you guys, if you want to wear over your shoulders as well, you got this little padding thing over here. Just hook it on the side and boom, you're ready to wear it over your shoulders. This is the reflector kind of thing. If you want to use, if you don't want to use it with a softbox like I am using on my new light, you can put this on and it will make the light a lot more brighter. So that is pretty cool right there. What's this? Ooh, wow, look at this. The build, oh wow, that is so nice. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Obviously you got that little thing to kind of hang it on your thing, and then you got your little antennas. Don't know what you'd use that for, but you're gonna find out. We have got all your plugins from the light to the, obviously to here. You got this and the back of there. This is basically the power unit, the head unit that provides you with all the controls and all that stuff. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Oh wow, then you got the big boy adapter, no power unit, the big bad boy power unit that obviously gives power to this and to the light, and then from this to the outlet, which is pretty cool. So right there, that's pretty cool. So yeah, and these lights you can get them. There's 3 series of the VL. So you got the VL150, the VL200, and the VL300. But yeah, 200 was too expensive. That was the one I was gonna buy, but that was way too expensive. So I allowed that. So then I went for the 150 series. And look, you got some more wiring over here. Oh sweet, look at this. And you got the famous remote over here. Actually just like exactly like the one I got for the old Godox light. So this is the new remote and this is the old remote. So yeah, that's the new remote. That's pretty damn cool. Yeah, that's gonna be nice. Power outlet cable, it's pretty cool. So that's what you plug into your power outlet to give you power, basically. And then we got the big boy. Oh yeah, did I show you guys this as well? This is what powers, obviously, the control unit down there. Whew. Cases. That carrying case is quite heavy. This is it. This is what you've been waiting. Wow. Wow, I've seen videos on these online, but I've never really thought how beautiful it looks. It looks absolutely stunning. The build quality is beautiful. made out of metal. It's cold to the touch. Very, very nice. Yeah, it looks proper sturdy, bruv. Proper sturdy. This is 150 volt, and it's way more like the power. No, it's way more smaller than this the SL60 I have right now. So it's nice and small, compact. I mean, it's got a bit of weight to it, but it's not like heavily hefty. But yeah, there's this little feature they have as well, the way you have to press this to take this off. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So you put this on, then you press it again, and then you put it on. So that's like a locking mechanism just on the side there, if you can see. That's like a locking mechanism. You put that, and then, but yeah, this is the package you're gonna have. So you can mount it on your shoulders like this and kind of light up the whole scene. Boom, light up the whole scene and that. But yeah, man, it's pretty damn cool. That's a nice, I kind of like that. That's a nice, pretty like sturdy kind of looking kind of light. I can't wait to actually mount this up and see how it looks for the setup and all that. But yeah, that's been the unboxing of the Godox VL150. But yeah, guys, if you want to see more unboxing of this channel, don't forget to hit that like button, also subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.